Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image in Google Docs step by step. Adding images to your documents can help make them more engaging, visually appealing, and easier to understand. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs and open the document where you want to insert an image. Next, place your cursor in the location where you want the image to appear. Now, click Insert in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, hover over Image. You'll see several options for adding an image. You can upload an image from your computer, search the web, add an image from Google Drive, Google Photos, or even insert an image using a URL. For this example, click Upload from Computer. Browse your computer and select the image you want to insert, then click Open. Google Docs will insert the image into your document. Once the image appears, click on it to resize it or reposition it. You can drag the corners of the image to make it larger or smaller. You can also choose how text wraps around the image by selecting options such as Inline, Wrap Text, or Break Text from the toolbar below the image. If needed, click and drag the image to move it to a different location within your document. Google Docs automatically saves your changes as you work, so there's no need to save the document manually. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image in Google Docs. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.